Welcome to our
Welcome to our
presentation.
presentation.
Good morning, everyone. It's me, Prativa. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. It's me, Kripa Bogati. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. It's me, Nikhil Sadar. Thank you.
Thank you.
This presentation is submitted by our group to our respected computer teacher, Durga sir. And our topic for the presentation is Unity in Diversity. There are some contents in our presentation. They are definition, pictures related in the context of Nepal, geographically, caste and religion, nature, pictures related, advantages, pictures and examples. The diversity of the world lies in the diversity of its people. By saying this beautiful quote, we would like to start our presentation.
Definition. Unity in diversity is a concept which signifies unity among individuals who have certain differences among them. These differences can be on the basis of caste, religions, languages, cultures, tradition, geography, ethnicity, etc. King Prithvi Narayan Saha. By looking at the diversity of our country, Nepal, King Prithvi Narayan Saha has said that मेरा साना दृश्यले आर्जेको मुलुक हैन सबै जातको फुलबारी हो सबैलाई चेतना भया. In the context of Nepal,
Creeper slide is not coming.
just now come. Nepal is multicultural, multilingual and multi-ethnic country. Our country, Nepal, is very diversified in our country. Nepal, there are 125 ethnic groups and 122 languages are spoken here. The followers of more than 3 religions are living here. People of our country celebrate eat different food, dress differently, and speak different languages. But also there is great harmony among people of our country. Our country Nepal is very diversified in the context of geography, caste, and ethnicity and nature. So now we are going to discuss all about this.
Geographically, Nepal is geographically divided into three regions. There are Himalayan region, Hilly region, and Tarai region. Diverse topography and climate has influ- included the lifestyle, customs, and tradition of the people living in Nepal. In Himalayan region, the climate is cold, dry, and windy. In hilly region, the climate is modern and similarly in Tarai region, the climate is very hard. Not only this, the language of differ from the Tarai to the hills and the mountain region. In spite of the all these the diversities, there is a manual understanding and respect among the people. This is a map of our country, Nepal. caste and ethnicity. There are people of living community living in the different part of Nepal like Newar, Gurung, Rai, Tharu, Chetru, etc. People of Nepal have different cultural, festival, language, etc. According to their caste and religions. One of the distance distinctive features of Nepal cultural is its religious harmony. All the religions of Nepal get equal respect from the people.
Cultural and diversity.
Here are some picture of cultural and diversity.
Naturally. Pratibha's slide is not coming. Along with the social and cultural diversity, there is also natural diversity in our country. There are about 6,000 big and small rivers in Nepal which flow from the north to south. There are several takes th- throughout the country. There are also several species which are rare in the world, like spinnies, babblers, and others different species of bird and animal, like insect, like the one-horned rhino, the wild buffalo orna, the red panda, the royal Bengal tiger, and so on, which can only be found in Nepal. So we can see that our country Nepal is equally diversified while talking about natural resources. Again, slide is not coming. Here, here are the pictures of natural resources in Nepal.
Nikki's slide is not coming.
Just now coming advantages: unity in diversity increase the morale of people in the workplace, organization, and community. It helps to increase coordination, relationship, teamwork among people, thus improving performance, work quality, productivity, and lifestyle. This makes communication effective ever in poor condition, keep people away from social problems, and help in managing conflict easily, improve a healthy human relationship, and protect equal human rights for all.
So now here you can see here are the two pictures. One above picture is black and white in color, and the picture which is below is very colorful. So which picture is you can see better, the black and white or the colorful one? This is question for you all.
Colorful.
Colorful.
Black and
Yes,
white.
obviously the colorful. Most of the people say colorful because it is very diversified and looking very beautiful. Similarly, you can see here are the two television. One is the black and white and one is the colorful. So which one you see is the better one?
Colorful.
Colorful.
Black and
So
white.
here also you can see the diversity. So the colorful one is the better one. Any any questions?
I want to ask.
Me.
Yes, please.
Prativa.
Why Nepal is an example of unity in diversity?
Nepal is an example of unity in diversity because in our country, Nepal, many people are living with peace and harmony.
Thank
Sir,
you.
I ask another question.
I have one question.
I have one question.
Sobita,
How many followers are living in our country according to religion?
According to
Followers.
the religions, the followers more than 8 followers are living in our country.
Rivas,
Now can I ask?
Now can I?
Rivas.
What did Prithvi Narayan Saha said
Prithvi Narayan Saha,
in
by
that
looking
slide?
at the diversity of our country, King Prithvi Narayan Saha had said that मेरो सानो आर्यले मेरो सानो आर्यले दुसरको मुलुक होइन सबै जातको फुलबारी हो यो सबैलाई चेतना भया.
Next, please.
How many ethnic groups are there in Nepal?
There are 125 ethnic groups and more than 123 languages are spoken here. Any other questions?
Okay, so is there anything more? Okay, Prativa, you can complete.
Thank you,
Thank you
everyone.
for watching our presentation.